America is obsessed with bigger cars, causing our roads to be clogged with SUVs and pickup trucks. But that's not the case everywhere. In fact, some places feel that personal mobility needs to get smaller before it gets better. One of those places is Sweden, where a startup has begun designing a cutesy two-person microcar, the Luvly O. The new microcar concept is a light urban vehicle, or LUV. Lovely. I get it. Basically, that means this car is just 106 inches long, 60 inches wide, and 56 inches tall. That's tiny. The O also clocks in at just 880 pounds, and despite its size, it can fit 2 adults up front and up to 70 gallons of stuff in the trunk. But obviously, something this small is going to come with downsides. It can only top out at about 55 miles per hour, and its small battery can manage just about 60 miles of range on a single charge. So what do you think of the Luvly O? Is it something you can see taking off, or will the man have to pry the keys for your pickup truck from your cold, dead hands? For more on fun-shaped cars and everything else automotive, check out jalopnik.com.